Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that your Samsung microphone or mic not working. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open the settings and then you need to go into the app management. So here you need to scroll down and click on app management, and in app list you simply need to search for the phone, and here it is. You simply need to click on storage and cache, and you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you done that, you simply need to click on permissions and allow microphone the permissions. So here you can see that once that step is completed, you simply need to check that your mic is working or not. If it is not working, you simply need to start your smartphone again. Maybe it start working now, but if your issue is not resolved, so maybe it is a hardware issue, so you need to fix that from any manufacturer, or you can visit any help center of your Samsung in your city. So maybe that is the reason. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.